a look at how Metro Police are facing head-on the rash of alcohol-related arrests of its police officers. Today, the Executive Command staff rolled out a plan to create an Alcoholics Anonymous program for officers.
The initiative is still in its early stages, but today's announcement is a bold first step. Our TV6 reporter Jack Reinhardt joins us live tonight from our newsroom with more on this program. Jack?
Well, Erica, the creation of an Alcoholics Anonymous program is just another way the police department is trying to address the health and wellness issues of its officers. And even though we've had a series of several high-profile drunk driving arrests, police say the plan has been in the works for months. The IMPD recruits sworn in last month signed up for a job that from the outside looks exciting, noble, and altruistic. But in reality, most of what a police officer encounters over the prime of their life is unhealthy, physically and emotionally, and that leads to serious health problems and addictions. According to one national study, 25% of police officers have addiction issues with alcohol. And as a result, officers have higher rates of suicide, instances of domestic violence, depression, and heart disease than the general population. Progress House, a residential alcohol treatment facility, says police officers, perhaps more than the general public, need help confronting substance abuse.
Sometimes there's sort of the buddy system where I think I'm doing this guy a favor by not confronting that behavior, and actually you're just supporting his addiction. And so in that context of a supportive group, that's how folks get better, you know, by confronting those inappropriate, not only the thinking, but the behaviors. And that helps them along the path of recovery.
In 1996, the Department of Public Safety instituted a policy of alcohol and drug testing. In the past year alone, 6 IMPD officers have been arrested for driving while intoxicated, including Kevin Brown, who's been arrested twice in 11 months for drunk driving. The Indianapolis Fire Department doesn't have an Alcoholics Anonymous program, but it does have a system of peer support.
We also instruct our company officers to be on the lookout. If somebody's coming in late, somebody's not doing their job, and have the one-on-one talk with them. And then they'll call somebody on the peer support group, and we'll make sure that they're utilized. Nobody's forced into programs, but we try to look after ourselves.
Now, law enforcement is one of the most difficult groups to reach with intervention programs. That's because there is the stigma of weakness or the fear of impact on a career or promotion. But Metro Police want to start an Alcoholics Anonymous program, and acknowledging there's a problem is the first step in recovery. Live in the newsroom, Jack Reinhardt, RTV6.